Have you ever wondered what simple practices can transform your life, body, and spirit? Imagine starting each morning with a powerful, ancient technique that not only strengthens your physical body but also nourishes your mind and spirit. This practice has been used for centuries by martial artists and spiritual seekers alike, and it's something you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. But what exactly happens when you embrace this practice every morning? The benefits go far beyond physical strength. It can change the way you approach your day, how you interact with others, and even how you connect with yourself on a deeper level. This morning ritual can become a gateway to a more balanced and fulfilled life, providing a foundation of strength and clarity that carries you through any challenge. In the next 20 minutes, we're going to explore the profound impact this simple yet powerful practice can have on your life. We'll uncover the spiritual, mental, and physical benefits that await you when you commit to this routine each morning. Stay with us until the end, and you might find that this ancient technique is exactly what you've been searching for to bring more harmony and energy into your life. So if you're ready to discover a practice that can transform your mornings and your life, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on more life-enhancing tips and practices that can lead you to a more enlightened and empowered life. When you start your morning with this ancient practice, you are not just engaging in physical exercise, you are grounding your energy. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel disconnected, stressed, or overwhelmed. This morning routine serves as a powerful tool to anchor yourself, creating a stable foundation that allows you to face the day with confidence and calmness. As you stand in this posture, your feet firmly rooted to the earth, you begin to draw energy up from the ground. This connection with the earth is more than symbolic. It's a tangible way to balance your energies. By grounding yourself, you release the chaotic, scattered energy that can accumulate throughout the day. This grounding process is essential for maintaining a clear mind and a balanced emotional state. Moreover, this practice aligns your body and spirit, creating a flow of energy that can be felt throughout your being. It's as if the earth's energy rises through your feet, travels up your spine, and radiates outward, enveloping you in a shield of calm and centeredness. This grounding is not just a physical sensation, but a spiritual alignment that brings you closer to your true self. The act of grounding every morning also helps you stay present. In a world where distractions are endless, starting your day with this practice ensures that you are fully in the moment, aware of your surroundings, and in tune with your inner self. This presence carries over into your day, allowing you to approach every task with mindfulness and intention. This simple yet profound act of grounding your energy each morning can transform not just your day, but your entire outlook on life. By committing to this practice, you are setting the tone for a day that is calm, focused, and spiritually aligned. It's a small step with big rewards, one that brings you closer to a state of inner peace and balance. This practice isn't just about connecting with the earth. It's also about building strength, both mentally and physically. As you hold this posture every morning, you are engaging multiple muscle groups, which leads to increased physical endurance and stamina over time. But the benefits go much deeper than muscle strength alone. Mentally, this routine challenges you to maintain focus and discipline. Holding the posture requires concentration, and as you master this, you'll find that your mental resilience also grows. This mental toughness is not just about enduring the physical strain. It's about cultivating a mindset that is unshakable in the face of adversity. The physical strength gained from this practice also translates to a stronger, more flexible body. As you build muscle and endurance, you'll notice improved posture, better balance, and an overall sense of physical well-being. This physical transformation is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a body that supports your spiritual journey, one that is healthy, strong, and capable. On a deeper level, this practice strengthens your spirit. By challenging your physical limits each morning, you are also training your spirit to be resilient and unyielding. This spiritual strength is what will carry you through difficult times, providing a sense of inner fortitude that nothing in the external world can shake. As you continue with this practice, you'll find that the strength you gain is not just physical or mental, but a holistic strength that encompasses your entire being. This morning routine becomes a powerful tool for building a strong, resilient mind, body, and spirit, preparing you to face whatever challenges the day may bring with grace and power. One of the most profound effects of this morning routine is the cultivation of inner peace. In our busy lives, finding moments of stillness can be a challenge. This practice offers a daily opportunity to step away from the noise and connect with the quietness within. As you hold this posture, your breath slows, your mind clears, and you enter a state of meditation. This meditative state is where true peace is found. It's in these moments of stillness that you can connect with your inner self, accessing a deep well of tranquility that lies within each of us. The act of holding this posture every morning creates a space where you can let go of stress and tension. As your body relaxes, so does your mind. This release is essential for maintaining mental clarity and emotional balance throughout the day. The peace you cultivate in the morning sets the tone for how you respond to the world around you. Moreover, this practice teaches you to find peace in discomfort. Holding the posture can be challenging, but it's in these moments of discomfort that you learn to stay calm and centered. This ability to maintain inner peace, even in the face of challenge, is a skill that will serve you in all areas of your life. As you make this practice a daily ritual, you'll find that the peace you cultivate each morning stays with you throughout the day. It becomes a part of who you are, a calm center that remains unshaken by external circumstances. This inner peace is not just a fleeting feeling, but a lasting state of being that transforms how you experience the world. Every morning, when you engage in this practice, you are not just strengthening your body or mind, you are also enhancing your spiritual awareness. This routine serves as a bridge between the physical and the spiritual, allowing you to tap into deeper levels of consciousness. As you stand in this posture, you are aligning your energy centers or chakras, which facilitates the flow of spiritual energy throughout your body. This alignment is crucial for maintaining spiritual balance and for opening yourself up to higher states of awareness. Each morning, as you practice, you are fine-tuning your spiritual senses, making you more attuned to the subtle energies around you. This increased awareness allows you to perceive things that you may not have noticed before. You become more in tune with your intuition, your inner voice, and the spiritual guidance that is always available to you. This heightened sense of awareness can lead to profound insights and a deeper understanding of your life's purpose. Furthermore, this practice serves as a daily reminder of the connection between your physical and spiritual selves. It's a time to honor both aspects of your being, recognizing that true health and well-being come from a balance of body, mind, and spirit. This awareness is not just about recognizing this connection, but about living it each day. As you continue with this routine, you will find that your spiritual awareness deepens, leading to a more enriched and fulfilling life. This morning practice becomes more than just an exercise. It becomes a spiritual journey, one that brings you closer to your true self and to the divine energy that flows through all things. One of the most significant benefits of this morning practice is the boost it gives to your vital energy, often referred to as chi or prana. This life force energy is essential for maintaining health, vitality, and overall well-being. Each morning as you engage in this routine, you are actively cultivating and enhancing this vital energy. The posture you hold acts as a conduit for this energy, allowing it to flow freely throughout your body. As you stand with intention, you are not just performing a physical exercise, you are harnessing and directing this energy, filling every cell of your body with life force. This boosted energy can be felt almost immediately, leaving you feeling invigorated and ready to tackle the day. But the effects go beyond just physical energy. This practice also increases your mental clarity and focus. By enhancing your vital energy, you are also enhancing your cognitive functions, making it easier to concentrate, think clearly, and make decisions. This mental sharpness is a direct result of the increased flow of energy throughout your body and mind. Moreover, this practice helps to balance your energy levels throughout the day. Instead of experiencing peaks and valleys of energy, you maintain a steady, consistent flow, which allows you to remain productive and focused from morning till night. This balanced energy is key to maintaining overall well-being and avoiding burnout. As you make this practice a daily habit, you'll find that your energy levels continue to rise, leading to greater vitality, improved health, and a more vibrant life. This morning routine becomes a source of boundless energy, one that nourishes not just your body, but your mind and spirit as well. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on the button right below this video or the three dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. Finally, this morning practice offers a powerful way to connect with your higher self. In the stillness and focus of this routine, you create a space where you can tune into the deeper aspects of your being, accessing wisdom and guidance that comes from your higher consciousness. As you stand in this posture, you are not just exercising your body, you are creating a sacred space within yourself. This space is where you can connect with your higher self, the part of you that is aligned with your true purpose and spiritual path. This connection is vital for living a life that is true to who you are and fulfilling your soul's mission. The act of connecting with your higher self each morning sets the tone for your day. It's a time to receive guidance, to listen to your inner voice, and to align yourself with the highest good. This connection provides clarity and direction, helping you navigate your day with purpose and intention. Moreover, this practice strengthens your relationship with your higher self over time. As you continue to engage in this routine, you'll find that your intuition becomes sharper, your decisions more aligned with your true path, and your life more in harmony with your spiritual goals. This connection is not just a momentary experience, but a lasting bond that influences every aspect of your life. By making this practice a daily ritual, you are committing to a life that is guided by your higher self. This connection becomes a source of wisdom, strength, and peace, guiding you on your spiritual journey and helping you live a life that is true to who you are. It's a simple practice with profound effects, one that can lead to a deeper, more meaningful life. Incorporating this ancient practice into your morning routine is more than just an exercise. It's a powerful way to transform your life, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Whether you are grounding your energy, building strength, cultivating inner peace, enhancing spiritual awareness, boosting vital energy, or connecting with your higher self, each aspect of this practice offers profound benefits. As you make this practice a part of your daily life, you'll find that it becomes a source of strength, clarity, and peace that supports you throughout the day. This simple routine can be the key to unlocking a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful and want to continue exploring ways to enhance your spiritual journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're here to support you with more tips, practices, and insights to help you live your best, most enlightened life.